We are at the car show. I see a lot of cars. I see Challengers. No Lamborghinis. I see Camaros and they're
all. Turn the camera around and show the cars. You just showing yourself. Don't your camera switch around?
No.
Oh.
But I'm gonna still show the cars. Here we go. One car.
Look at that.
Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this Dodger right here. The engine. But it's crazy though. Oh, it's crazy.
Look at the steering wheel sitting up on top there.
Wow, I think there has to be a racing car then. Whoa, look at this Ferrari right here. It's a Ferrari right here. The blue Ferrari. Right here. Oh, the blue flag.
That ain't a Ferrari.
And is it?
Nah. He has a Ferrari kit on it.
Oh, bro, it had the Ferrari. Keep going, bro. I'm lagging, bro. It's the bull. I really know I'm showing all these cars. The Dodge right here. Oh, bro, look at this, bro. I hope I get a lot of views. No, bro, this is sick. Oh, escort the missile. Bro, look at this, though. Look at this. Different kind of cars.
Like, you know, this how they
What's up,
like, that's the Dodge.
That's another Cadillac.
You did like that.
It's crazy, though. Audrey and all that. Mostly, I'm gonna start showing the cars. Oh, look at the steering wheel. Chrissy, look at the steering wheel. Look at the steering wheel. It's on the engine.
Yeah, I just seen that. Wow.
Look at this. Hey, Chrissy, they're gonna upgrade for a little car over there.
Upgrade to what?
It's an upgrade to a little car over there. Wow. This is crazy. Oh, I see the GTR. The GTR. With mine. Yeah, I see a GTR right there.
A GTR?
Yeah, it's right here. You see it? Yeah.
Blue?
No, that up there. No, the orange.
Classic car. Look at this car right here.
Oh, this looks sweet.
Look,
Look on mine. They go to Mustang. I mean, not GTR.
Yeah.
Wow.
Is this the car he's talking about?
No, that's a Maserati. That's a
You know about this
Maserati.
car right here?
No.
It's a Maserati.
Wow.
Really expensive.
They go another GTR. This has to be the GTR 600. Oh.
So they put it on the show with it.
Yeah, bro. Look at this GTR. McLaren, right there. It's a McLaren right there. Go to Audi R8.
With the expensive cameras taking these pictures.
Wow,
So you're gonna show me the car you want me to take you a picture by. So
Oh,
I pull out my camera.
that McLaren over here.
Where?
The McLaren over there.
What's the name of it?
The McLaren.
A McLaren?
Yeah. It's right here.
The white one right
Oh,
there.
this.
That's
You know that they got
Hold
this.
on. Let me see if I think I got my camera.